In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable fees in PNL on Axiom. So the first thing you need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It has a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing Twitter tracker, a wallet tracker, a PNL tracker. They have a great reward system over here, which basically just rewards you Solana back when you're trading normally. They have a turbo mode as well, which you can basically use for faster fills. They have different presets, etc. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. Now, to actually enable fees in the PNL tracker on Axiom, here's what you have to do. Now, this is a new update and you want to go to polls over here, or of course to whatever coin you want. So I'm just going to go to a random coin over here, and then you want to click on this button which says chart settings. Click on that, and then here it says account for fees in average lines. So you want to click on that, make sure you enable it, and then click on done. And then whenever you open up your instant trade panel over here, you'll be able to see down here at the bottom right, you can see your fees, and then of course you'll be able to change them. Now, I mean, not change them, you'll be able to track them. However, they are happening whenever you are trading. So here, if I click on this as well, as you can see, you can then just, of course, easily turn that off, and then you're done. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.